Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I'm literally just reaching. Went to the beach today. Stay tuned for that vlog. I probably will give on this video before the vlog because the vlog gonna take some time to edit. But see, it's not to take off the unbonnet. Just walk in and my dump. I say, what better time to get this prank out the way? Just use one stone and kill two birds. So I'm gonna prank Jason and tell him say if make we do it in the pool. But make a start from in the room, and if him agree, then no, make a hide the camera and bring it around the pool side to see if him gonna do it for real. So I'm gonna see how that go. Babe. You can't take off your butt when I come out here or what? You don't know? You don't know? Come on, so.
Come here, big.
Some of you. Come here.
Yo, me hate when me decide I actually if you come here now. No, me
Alright,
there.
come on.
Who me there? Tell me.
We're not scratching the dungeons right now, let's not get comfortable. Babe, I'm not doing no more scratching. Later, I'm scratch after we're done. Babe, I don't want to scratch no more.
What do? You can't wait a little more. Yeah, me not feel like mood right now, no, man.
Why?
Night early, man, me not feel so right now.
Babe, come. I'm recording with in that pool then.
Alright, you have to give me one more.
No! I could do it in that pool then. I do it in that pool? They did want to right here, so but then the pool better. What do you think about that?
Give me that one.
I will already have one them here. And
Babe, give me that
babe,
one.
you change your shirt?
I must change my shirt.
Oh,
So give me an hour.
you change your underpants?
Yeah, you stop asking me something.
No, because you lay down and me no want you don't.
You
when
feel-
the
you
bed
feel it?
cool
You feel
and
it?
the AC
You feel it? Did you feel it or no?
your underpants we soak through your shower.
Did you feel it? Let's see if I change
Come
it.
on, yeah, pool there.
Give me an hour, no man.
Baby, could do it in that pool now?
Baby say give me an hour, me never say no.
1 hour for what, baby?
Give it
We are
night.
good on that pool now. Come on. You gonna give me?
No, come. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, agree?
Yes, me agree. Yeah.
Oh, come here.
3 seconds, yeah. Get it.
3 seconds.
Yes, come tell me say, yo, give me an hour, you just did that, tell me
Alright,
about
I'll
it.
talk up with some. What more we are carry down that pool?
I
Carry
can't
something for you now?
What did you say when they take the car?
Charging port, they don't charging something they don't have?
Yeah.
Okay, may I carry charger? Yeah, take out something out the fridge for drink?
Yeah, I don't know.
Let me take out from here. You take up the key,
Take on about.
Alright then, so go and left me then. I go? Yeah? No, babe, just go on. Let's not have a problem. Babe, just go on. I'm not afraid. Guys, I'm gone. Yes, I'm gonna get you for true. So I'm just put some stuff in my bag so we don't have to run up back every minute. And guys, when I don't laugh after my little shorts, tell me why when I buy this. I bought it on Rainbow. I think a Rainbow. I have something to match the shorts, but me not wear the suit because I know them just never they look nice together. But if you like it, you can go Rainbow. When I did see it on the girl, it did look so good. Tell me why it just, I mean I love it, but it really comfortable, really comfortable. If you see something color underneath it, when I remember that swimwear here from my anniversary, I eat my oven with the, can you see it? With the bra. Guys, my poor baby, I wait. And babe, sorry my take so long here. Show me this start one vlog. Swim like a first. Can't swim?
Yeah?
I can't swim.
You need to ask swim like first and see where I do something.
I said swim like a first. I gotta put dive into it.
Then that you just said, I'm not telling you more. I want to know you tell me this.
Yeah, but they just want to come in the pool and warm up right
Bro,
now.
just watch on one.
Alright. Come.
No man, when you're ready.
I'm ready now.
Take your time man, when you're ready.
Yes, I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready. Come, ready. Take off my clothes like when me in a room.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure.
So what? I first I do tonight now. I can't take off all of my clothes.
You can, then take it off man.
No. Only for turn.
No sir.
Just
Yeah, how
take
much?
off the thing.
Yeah, how much?
Babe, stop shaming me.
Me not like talking, you know, you would.
Babe, what you want? The front, the back, what? Just tell me now.
You don't know when you're going to get in, because the water kill everything we have stuff to stand up, you know.
Babe, the water kill me.
Then what you think the water they're going to do? You don't see it? What am I going to do?
Alright, ready.
What exactly am I going to do? Maybe thing not turn up. You think not turn up mean a
You
cold
cool?
water. Yes! Yes, I am cold. I am cold, babe. I am cold. This I'm not a robot.
So when you're cold in the stomach?
No,
so
babe.
Look much time when I AC and the stomach.
You're not turn up right now, babe. You must sit there and rest. See there. As a matter of fact, I know you're not going to come cool. So, how am I
So
going
you
to
tricked me. I could go back up and room.
Yo, you're not going to do that, you know. You don't make me come wet up in the water for nothing, you know.
I could go in a room.
Go do what?
So if you know, say when you come in the water,
So you can't be down here, somebody tell us more going to water, go do that.
No, you agreed to me up the room.
Bro, I say yes because I can't bother, bro. I say yes because I can't bother. I say to you, say, we're going to come out of the room, or you want to go in the pool.
So me say me want to do it in a pool.
Alright, we're going to, nothing wrong, babe. We're going to do it when you go up. See, there, we're waiting for it. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound.
So babe, wait, water. Alright, tell me science
I
behind
don't know
that.
the science behind it, you have to Google
Yeah,
that.
only me know what that happened.
How would I know who it happens to? For once was lost, now I see. I once was lost, but now I found.
Alright.
But
It's a prank.
I see.
I am pranking
Oh, you
you.
can't ever prank me. Are you a prank yourself then? You prank yourself.
What is funny?
See there? This guy will make a one
No,
centimeter.
but like how we are pranking up there, really actually.
I don't know the science behind it. Measure this never reach a centimeter.
Guys, I love you things I never want and cause this is an embarrassment. Jesus, same tool, drop asleep in the water.